Okay, so 24-year female having the chief complaint of unable to conceive and history of taking treatment for infertility for 2 to 3 months, and after taking all the reports and investigation, we have taken the history of menstrual history so that we can know if it is irregular or regular, and what problem is going on their cycle, hypothalamus, some hormonal, or in itself in the uterus. So by taking the menstrual history, it is 5 to 6 days and 28 to 30 days she's having. So it is normal flow, so it is regular, but in spite of all the flow and all the things, she is unable to conceive. So she also given that she had done the treatment, some treatment. So she have also done with sono salpingography, and in that report endometrial polyp was noted at the middle of the uterus, and then she have get the treatment, have done remove that polyp, and after that also she was not well and was not benefited this, and then she then was advised to do the TVS pelvis, and from that also nothing was evident, and then she was also advised to do that hysterolaparoscopy. She had hysterolaparoscopy and endometrial biopsy also in a proliferative phase. So its lining was not properly proliferated. It was seen that, and CB naught was chromoperturbation was done, and is a medical procedure typically performed during laparoscopy, used to assess the patency opening of the fallopian tube, which is crucial for fertility. So it involves a color dye like methylene blue into the uterus, then flow through the fallopian tube, allowing doctors to visualize if they are blocked or not. So by seeing doing this procedure, it was seen that both tube are blocked. So the medication and after doing the medication and all the treatment, it was not successful at all. So she had come to us, and we have a lots of this treatment of tubal block, that is cupping can do this, and many of therapy we have. So we have given the treatment of before doing this insert of the TVS, transvaginal sonography of pelvis was done, and all the procedure you should be knowing that antibiotics should be given to the patient, and all the iron and all the things I have given, but it nothing is worth, because she was not benefited by this treatment, and she come to us. So we have cupping hijama so for both tube block, and we also have a muhallil dawai adviyas. So inflammation was there, so we have given the sulkunia, we have a uterine tonic, muqawwi rahim, and also safuf char tukhm and asgan. We have lots of adviyas. So this was given, and the therapy of nirmundi was advised to the patient, and it benefited her as in the menstrual history. She was one thing she was telling, that there was no pain during menstruation, so it is not ovulatory menstruation. Every painful menstrual cycle is ovulatory. So if the tube is blocked, nothing is to be done with that. So we have given the therapy as well as the cupping and all the things, the adviyas, and it benefited her. So this is a case, and it was successful, and was come again for the follow up, so we can add on the treatment.